everyone and welcome back. If you watched my last video, we swatched the Savalin chrome powder set, so today we'll be putting those gorgeous chromes to use. So I'm just going to quickly throw on a Gel X set. I've already prepped, primed, and dehydrated my nails. So I've already added a layer of base coat to my nail and cured it, and now I'm just applying the nail glue to the tip. Now I'm giving that a quick flash cure. And I'm just going to repeat that process on each nail. Now that the nails are filed and shaped, it's time for the nail art. So first I'm just going to apply a base coat, and then I'm going to apply a nude gel polish. I'm applying a matte top coat so that the chrome powder doesn't stick in places where I don't want it. Now I'm using a gel top coat and a liner brush to map out the drip design that I want. Now I'm using Builder Gel to add the 3D drip effect. Now I'm covering the drip design in black gel polish and then topping it with a top coat. Now I'm using two different chrome powder shades, red copper and laser red. I'm buffing one color on each side of the nail and blending them in the middle to give an ombre effect. Now I'm using a flat brush dipped in rubbing alcohol to clean up the edges. Here I'm adding a top coat to the entire nail, and look how reflective these are. So for the rest of my nails, you'll see that I actually changed my method for this design. So I started mapping the design in black gel polish and then adding the drips and then the no wipe top coat. This is just going to keep me from doing an extra step that was unnecessary. The shades I'm using here are light purple and pink. So the chrome powder is super easy to clean up using a brush and rubbing alcohol, and this is because of the matte top coat I added. It prevents the chrome powder from sticking to it. So these are the two that I'm most excited for, which are deep blue and teal blue. I may be biased because blue is my favorite color, but they are so gorgeous. These shades are green, which is the darker color, and grass green, which is the lighter color. And last but not least, I'm going in with copper and green yellow. And here is the final look. And you guys, this has to be my favorite set I've ever done. I know I always say that, but these are just so reflective and they're just so stunning. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.